We have minus 4 minus 3, 4 divided by 2. Okay, this is a very interesting question, and only one person gets this right. Minus 4 minus 3 equals minus minus plus, so 7, right? So 4 divided by 2. Now 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and here is multiply, so 7 times 2 equals 14. But this is not correct. Why? Because parentheses must be done before subtraction, right? And before multiplication. So here is multiply, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Okay. So first of all, inside the parentheses, right? So minus 4 minus 3 and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now here is multiply. So multiply first. Minus 4 and minus 3 times 2 equals 6. Now look at this. Minus 4 and minus 6. Minus and minus plus, right? Sorry, minus and minus plus, but minus sign, right? So minus 4 minus 6 minus minus plus, so 10